In this video, I am going to be taking you along on my little journey to declutter, organize, condense, clear out my jewelry collection. I have shared several jewelry videos and jewelry organization videos with you on my channel in the past. I will link the most recent ones in the description box below. When we did a custom closet system, I built in purposely space for my jewelry because ultimately I wanted all of my jewelry to be in that place. And that just hasn't happened. I have this old jewelry armoire that I've had it forever, and it's in a separate room, and I forget half of the stuff that's in there because I just don't see it when I'm getting ready. And I just thought it was time to condense my jewelry collection to really the pieces that I love and wear and reach for on a daily basis, and just have all my jewelry in one place. I actually wasn't planning on filming this. I was sharing it on my Instagram story. This was back before Christmas, actually, and so many people, I was surprised, wanted to see a video on my YouTube channel. So that's why I am filming this little intro now, so I can take you through the process. Halfway through, I decided I'm gonna film this for my YouTube channel, so I apologize, but the first couple clips are like this, filmed from an iPhone for my Instagram story, but I promise you the quality of clips will get better as the video goes on. I managed to clear out that jewelry piece. I ended up giving it to a good friend of mine. I listed so much stuff on my Poshmark account, so I will have a link to Poshmark below. You guys know I love it for my clothes. I also have listed handbags and jewelry there in the past, and I just absolutely love it because it makes it so easy to use. You guys know how much I love it. It's an app on the phone. I will put a link if you want to download it. You can shop my closet, see some of the jewelry. A lot of the jewelry, you're gonna laugh if you've been with me for a while because you will know just how long I've had it. Just thought it was time to clear out. I also have a sample sale of all of my much loved but no longer available Stella Dot pieces. So if you're interested in seeing that, shoot me an email. I'll have that below and I will send you a link so you can shop my sample sale. It feels really good. All of my jewelry is in one place with the exception of some pieces that I do like to keep out on display as some decor. I absolutely love it because I'm not forgetting anything that I have. I can see everything, and I absolutely love the little decorative system that I use, which I'm going to show you, and how I just still have it on display, but also it's very functional. So I hope that you guys enjoy this process. I hope that it inspires you to clear out not just your jewelry, but your life. As I said in the new year in a recent Get Ready With Me video, I just have embraced wanting to just declutter and clear out and stop hoarding and holding on to things that I just don't need, don't bring me joy. And this jewelry collection has just gotten out of hand, and it was just time. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and like I said, inspires you to do the same. And let's dive in. Current situation. I have been trying for so long now to figure out a way to get all of my jewelry in one place, which is ideally in my closet where I have my built-ins. So I'm organizing. I'm going to be having a massive sample sale soon. I'm trying to condense, consolidate, purge. I ultimately want to get rid of this jewelry armoire. It's old. It just takes up space. And like I said, the goal is to just have all of my jewelry in one place so I'm not coming in this room when I want to find a necklace. That tray is all non-Stella Dot stuff that I'm probably just going to list on my Poshmark. I'm also going to hang some decorative displays in my closet. When you come in my closet, you guys have seen my closet tour. This is where I'm gonna put my jewelry, on the side of this. So there's the door. It's the side of this built-in. I'm gonna stick it all right here. That way it's clean. You don't really see it unless you know it's there, and it's not in the way. In progress. Almost got all of my statement earrings put away. Have to tackle rings, which I'm going to keep in my drawers. This is like my little summer jewelry stash. I have a couple pieces that I mainly wear in the summertime. There's just like odds and ends, weird things there. I'm going to order another bracelet bar like that one to keep all my beaded bracelets. And I'm going to store my Tiffany pouches in my drawers. I wish there was a way to see through these bags, like to put maybe like a picture or something of what's inside. That would just be helpful. So this is almost cleared out. Now I'm using these three things. These are all from Stella Dot, and unfortunately they're only available to stylists, but I'm sure you can find similar things or make like my old ones. A craft store, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, even places like TJ Maxx and Marshall's all have jewelry displays and stuff. And then I am going to be using these command hooks to hang them up. I love these because you don't have to screw anything in, hammer, make holes. If anything, I've just had some paint come off, like a really easy fix when they come off, and they hold really well. So I'm gonna stick them on the back of these frames. I don't really have them set up yet the way I wanted. I just kind of was playing around, but I'm gonna use these 3 things for now. Also got these little minis, just in case I have extra necklaces or anything I wanna hang. These are great because they're clear, so you can't really see them, and they're tiny. So just in case, but I don't think I'm gonna need extra. Just looking at this. Moved like odds and ends and studs and things onto this tray because this will be my next project to tackle of just organizing and going through these drawers. This is like my gold drawer and this is my rose gold and silver. So I need to go through these drawers and add these things into the drawers. We are completely cleared out. So happy. And it just feels really good and refreshing that I got rid of this big thing that was taking up space and condensing my collection because it was just kind of out of control. Here is the finished product. So all of my black chokers and cords are hanging from there, and then I have my more daintier but not super dainty necklaces that I like to use as layering pieces. I have hanging there. Here are all of my statement earrings, and then down here are my other long pendants and layering pieces. And what I did was I have these little pearl pins that I just stuck, and that's how I used them to hang my jewelry. So I hung some like through here, but then I also just stuck these little pins in, which I love because you can hang way more than the slots allow you to. So that's all of them, and I love it because it's kind of, you know, not something you see as soon as you walk into the closet, but obviously something I know that's there. And then in here I have 2 drawers of the rest of my jewelry. So on top is all my gold, my Tiffany pouches. I have my necklaces here. These are all earrings, and this is silver and rose gold pieces. I will just show you, this is my little everyday jewelry that I am constantly rotating, and so the pieces that are on this dish change weekly with just whatever I'm wearing or into or really obsessing over. This is an old plate from H&M. Hi, Mr. Jakers. Also have all of my Alex and Ani's and bangles in this little jewelry cloche that I got from Pottery Barn that's super old. And then this is another piece from Pottery Barn that I've had forever. These are my Lisa Tabbage chains. It's a shame, but I really just don't wear them anymore, but they're so nostalgic that I just can't part with them. And then some of my head pieces, my little headband jewels are there. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed that. I hope that it inspired you to get decluttering today with your jewelry. Again, my link to my Poshmark account will be in the description box if you want to shop some of my jewelry that I took very good care of but just don't wear anymore. And if you want a sample sale link for Stella Dot pieces that have been retired, shoot me an email and I will get you that link as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!